Hey everyone, welcome back, where we simplify AI and automation to help you stay ahead. Today, we're busting some of the biggest myths about AI and automation, because let's be honest, there's a lot of hype and a lot of fear out there. Let's separate the facts from the fiction. Let's start with the biggest one. AI will steal every job. Yes, AI is automating tasks, but it's also creating entirely new industries. From AI trainers to prompt engineers to automation strategists, the workforce is shifting, not disappearing. Think evolution, not extinction. Next myth. AI is just like the human brain. Nope, not even close. AI can analyze data fast and generate content, but it has no consciousness, no emotions, and no common sense. It's math, not magic. Another one I hear a lot. I can't use AI because I don't know how to code. That might have been true 10 years ago, but not in 2025. Today, tools like Asipps, Make.com, Zapier, ChatGPT, and Notion AI let you build smart automations with zero coding. If you can drag and drop, you can automate. Think automation is just for the Amazons and Googles of the world? Think again. Solopreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners are automating. Check lead gen, check customer support, check email marketing, check content creation, all with tools that cost less than your Netflix subscription. Let's talk fear. AI is going to destroy the world. While it's smart to talk about ethics and guardrails, most AI today is task-specific. It's not Skynet. It's spreadsheet automation. The real danger is not learning how to use AI, while others are. So, to recap, AI isn't replacing everyone. It doesn't think like us. You don't need to code. It's not just for big tech, and it's not here to destroy the world. But what it is doing is changing the way we work and live. Fast. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one AI myth you used to believe? And if you want to actually start using AI tools in your business, check out our other videos.